Now, how do you get a job as a mortgage credit analyst? Basically, you'll need a combination of education, skills, and industry knowledge. Here's a step-by-step guide as to what you'll need. Number one, you need some educational background. Bachelor's degree. Most mortgage credit analysts hold a bachelor's degree in finance, accounting, economics, business, or a related field, but it's not a requirement. Just a bachelor's degree, I'd say, is enough. Certifications. While not always required, certifications such as Certified Mortgage Banker, or CMB, or Certified Credit Professional, CCP, can make their resume stand out, or a certification by completing this course. By completing this course, you'll be able to get a certificate that you've actually had prior knowledge of the content that you'll need to perform on a day-to-day basis. Number two, develop relevant skills. Financial analysis is basically strong analytical skills and familiarity with financial statements, credit reports, and risk analysis, which are essential. Some knowledge of mortgage regulations. Understanding mortgage lending laws, underwriting guidelines, and compliance regulations that are usually typically for FHA, VA, Fannie Mae, and Freddie Mac loans. Attention to detail. Precision in reviewing documents and catching small details is critical to this role. Communication skills. You need to clearly communicate financial analysis and decisions to both colleagues and clients. Number three, gain relevant experience. Entry-level roles start in, for example, roles such as a loan processor, loan officer, or as an assistant credit analyst, or something similar to that effect, are all key aspects as to being able to move on to a mortgage credit analyst position. But they're not requirements either. You can start at an entry level. These positions do help you to have the necessary experience and knowledge to be able to become a mortgage credit analyst much easier and be able to sidetrack or move into that role faster and smoothly. Internships. Many financial institutions offer internships in lending departments where you can learn the ropes and become an expert at mortgage analysis, which is essential. Number four, networking and professional development. Joining industry associations such as the MBA, which is the Mortgage Bankers Association, can definitely help you stay informed in terms of different job openings and industry trends. Now, something I love to do is attending mortgage and finance workshops or seminars. Continuing your learning through online or in-person workshops about credit analysis, mortgage processes, and underwriting will help you advance your skills much faster, okay? Number five, apply for jobs. You can search for mortgage credit analyst positions in a variety of financial institutions, including banks, large national banks like Wells Fargo, Chase, Bank of America, and any other regional or local banks often hire mortgage credit analysts. Credit unions. Many credit unions hire mortgage credit analysts to evaluate loan applications for their members. Mortgage lending companies. Independent mortgage lenders like Rocket Mortgage, Loan Depot, and Fairway Independent Mortgage Corporation frequently hire for these positions. So you definitely want to search on their websites. Financial services firms. Firms offering a broad range of financial services, such as Quicken Loans or Fidelity, may also offer positions. Besides that, government-sponsored enterprises, GSEs, which are Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, or FHA, hire mortgage analysts to work on their mortgage-backed securities programs as well. When it comes to job search resources, I definitely suggest that you check on job boards. Look for openings in LinkedIn, Indeed, Glassdoor, and specialized job boards like Mortgage Bankers Association Career Center. Company websites. Regularly check the career pages of banks and mortgage lenders where you're interested in actually starting to work. By gaining relevant experience, building a network, and focusing on the required skills, you can position yourself well to land a job as a mortgage credit analyst.